Did you notice that the sentiment score for sustainability just spiked to plus 0.30, while momentum is down at minus 0.26? This divergence from the historical baseline suggests that although overall sentiment is positive, there's a notable hesitation in the momentum, indicating potential underlying concerns. With 19 semantic clusters emerging around this topic, you can drill down into specific areas driving this sentiment. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum shifts, and semantic clusters, so you can tailor your applications effectively. For instance, you might leverage this data to adjust your sustainability messaging in real time, ensuring your communications resonate with current sentiment trends. For more insights, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.